Hello everyone, this is introduction of Tail Painter. Operation steps. Number 1. Run VMP software. Select a device or device group in device list. Number 2. Go to menu bar, choose Tools, Maintain. Number 3. Select the tail maintain tab and check the tail info. Number 4. Select a tail. Click Tail Painter to read back the firmware and receiving card configuration files. Number 5. Select another tail to load firmware and configuration files into the selected one. Make sure they all have the same version of firmware and the same configuration file. Note: firmware and configuration files cannot be copied in batches.